Hi everybody, this is Katrina, and today I'm reviewing the VECELO glass table set for 4. This is an absolutely gorgeous, modern designed table set. I really like it. It really makes our kitchen pop. I was really surprised once we got this set up. It makes the kitchen feel bigger, and it makes it actually look a little bit brighter. So I'm really impressed with that. That was kind of an added bonus that we really were not expecting. I did actually write down quite a few details in my written review, which I've already posted. And in those details, if you decide to order this, I would recommend that you read through our setup experience just to try to save you some time and from some silly mistakes in the setup process, because we made a few silly mistakes. So I did want to mention that. It's definitely written down there in more detail. But just to briefly mention, we initially put this table together upside down. And underneath here, there's actually 4 screws. We accidentally put these bars here upside down with the screw holes on this side. For some reason, when we initially actually were setting this up, it just kind of looked right that way. Even though it showed it in the diagram, we just didn't notice that, and we kind of went on. And yeah, it didn't work out so well, so we had to take the table apart before we put the glass top on it, because you do need to screw that glass top down. So just to save you a little bit of time there, it's kind of a silly mistake in hindsight. Also, you may want to determine where you want to have the V shape on these chairs. If you notice here in the video, the bars on the front of the chairs have a V shape. I'm showing you 2 chairs right now. The one on the left, the V is in the normal position. The one on the right, it's upside down. I think they look good either way. The bars will fit either way, but I did want to point that out so that you can decide before you actually set these up what direction you want them to be in. We currently have 2 and 2. 2 of the chairs with the V shape up, 2 of the chairs with the V shape down. And it looks like it was intentionally done that way, even though we didn't, and we kind of realized it in the process of setting these up. So I did want to mention that to you. Cleaning this is really, really easy. The top is a solid piece of tempered glass. That's kind of a nice bonus if you have kids or just in general, because tempered glass is not supposed to shatter. So I have a 7-year-old daughter. That's a huge plus for me on the case that there was something bad to happen. If the table was to be cracked, at least it's not going to shatter all over the kitchen, and it'll still say one piece. So I did want to point that out. The table glass, again, as I was mentioning, is all one solid piece. All of the parts that you see are underneath it, including where it screws into the table. So when you are done with your dinner, you can simply take a simple all-purpose cleaner or glass cleaner. I used a store brand, just a basic glass cleaner on this, and it cleaned up with absolutely no issue whatsoever. Easy to keep clean, absolutely looks spectacular. And again, it whitened up and brightened up our kitchen and made our kitchen look even bigger than it actually is. So that was an added bonus. I did receive this from the seller, and I received it for free in exchange for my honest and unbiased review. That said, I was not told what to rate this. I was not told what to say. This is my own experience. This is my own opinion. And this is an item that I absolutely do rate 5 stars. I have no question about it. There is nothing that I can find wrong with this set. I absolutely would recommend this to a friend, and I highly recommend it. If you have any questions, by all means, just leave them in the comments section, and I'll be happy to do my best to answer them for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.